This video will explain how to post the orders from Marketplace into SQL. First, go to eCommerce, Shopee and click on Orders. Select the date period, and refresh order. SQL will fetch all the orders in the period from your Shopee store. You can choose which status to post into SQL invoices. In this example, we will use completed order. If your customer requests an invoice, you can also print or export from SQL even before you do the posting. A verify status will be shown. If the orders were posted earlier, system will not double post. You can also filter the orders that have not been posted yet. By click on the Post button, SQL will do the posting into invoice. Once it is completed, you can also check the status. If you see missing item code, meaning you had delisted or deleted the products from your Shopee. However, you can still post this order by selecting your item code in SQL if the product does not exist in SQL yet. You can also create the product code easily. Now, let's look at the invoice. All invoices with the product, charge detail were posted into SQL. That's all of this video. Thank you.